Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix phone call dialer keypad problem. This is the problem. Okay, let's start. First step, tap and hold phone call dialer. Now tap on app information. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. And then tap on clear data. Tap on delete. After tap on delete, go back your home screen. Now open your phone call dialer again. You can see here solve your problem easily. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.